Hi dear students, welcome to social science class. Yesterday we have studied about one concept, that is what are they or how the shape of the earth is, or what is the shape of the earth, that we had studied. The people thought that the shape of the earth is flat, but after 1519 when Ferdinand Magellan made a voyage around the world, so there he showed that the earth is not flat but it is round in the shape. So after that we came to know that so many years ago there were changes in the earth. So before now we can see the 7 continents, but so many years ago, billions years ago, what was there? There was only one continent. So that is called a supercontinent or Pangea. So that is divided into 2 parts. One is Gondwana, another one is Laurasia. So now we can see the 7 continents. Let us see what are those 7 continents and why those continents are famous. What is the chapter name? This is right. The Earth's surface. On the Earth's surface, mainly we can see 2 things. One is continent, another one is ocean. So the continent is a separate study, ocean is a separate study. So what is there inside of the continent and what happened in the continent, that we can study in our next classes or in your next studies. So when you come to 7th or 8th, we are going to study about bit by bit. So now this is what surface. So what is there on the surface of the earth? So that is the main point. So what is there? So there are 2 things. One is ocean, water, another one is land, continent. So I told there are 7 continents and 5 oceans. The first continent that we are going to study is Asia. So before that, let us check it whether do you know the directions or not. See, this is north direction, this is south, this is east, and that is west. Okay, now if I display the chart for you, okay, I will display and I will show you. So this is the chart. So this is the north direction, this is south, and this is west, and this is east. So there you have to understand like this. So I told you once in a bridge course to know about the directions, cardinal directions and cardinal directions. So this is just our main directions for north, east, south, west. So what is the continent that we are going to see in this class is Asia. So here you can see now. Here from here to there. So this is the largest continent. That is Asia continent. See, so this is what Asia continent. This continent is called as Asia continent. By looking at, you can find that. Is it that this is one continent, one and one. So another one is Europe. So now you can understand which is the largest continent. Yes, this is the largest continent. So Asia is the largest continent, I am told. So now just can you guess that what is there in the south side of the Asia? What is there in the east side of the Asia? What is there in the north side of the Asia? And what is there in the west side of the Asia? So west side of the Asia is the continent, another continent, that is Europe. To the west side of the Asia there is a Europe continent. In the south it is Indian Ocean. In the east it is Pacific Ocean. In the north it is Antarctica Ocean. Okay, now that is what about Asia continent. So here you can understand in that Asia continent there are 2 main countries. One is China, another one is India. So you know that why these 2 countries are famous and popular. So now if I ask you one question, which is the most populated country? The number 1 is China and number 2 is India. So these 2 countries are located in the Asia continent. These 2 countries are located in the Asia continent. So Russia is the largest country in the Asia continent. But what happens? The Russia is divided. So Russia is spread. Okay, now Russia is included in Europe continent as well as in Asia continent. That is the largest continent in Asia. Which one? Russia. But which are the 2 famous countries? One is China, another one is India, because these 2 countries are more populated. So number 1 population country is China and number 2 populated country is India. So that's why these 2 countries are important in the Asia continent. Okay, na? So next let us study about the second largest continent. Yeah, wait, I will write here. Which is the second largest continent? Africa. So this is the Africa continent. So whenever you have a world map at that time, you have to find out which is Asia, which is Africa, where India. If you can easily find out India, there you can say so that continent is Asia continent because India is located in Asia continent. That is very easy to say the truth. Secret part of India is okay. So now it is Africa continent. See, this is the Africa continent. It is like cashew nut. It is in the shape of a cashew nut. So now here also same I told, this is north, this is east, this is west and this is south. So to the south part there is a southern ocean, to the north part it is what? Europe, to the east it is a Asia half part and Indian Ocean, and to the west it is a Atlantic Ocean. Which ocean it is? Atlantic Ocean. So that is. So here we have two special things in the Asia. One is, so Asia has the largest river. So which is the largest river that you studied in your GK, general knowledge, is it right? The longest river is Nile River. Okay, now that is located in the continent Africa, and you know that which is the largest desert. So largest desert is Sahara Desert, that is also located in the Africa, and you know that special construction that was constructed by the earlier people or by the ancient people. So that is nothing but Egypt pyramid. So that Egypt pyramid is also in Egypt. That means Egypt country is also located in the Africa, and their Mount Kilimanjaro, that is a one mountain name. So that is the highest mountain. Highest means highest mountain you can consider, highest mountain in the Africa continent. But you know which is the highest mountain peak in the world? That is Himalayan mountain. That Himalayan mountain is in, yes, it is in Asia. It is at the border of Nepal and India. You know, we are also connected to that Himalayan mountain. So that is the largest. So Africa we finished, Asia we finished. So let us see next which one is the largest and third continent. See here you can see. So these are all American continents. So this is located in the North America. That's why it is called as North America. This is located in the south part. That's why it is called as South America. So now the third largest continent is North America. You can see here North America. So now if you can see the map clearly, that means what you have written, if you can observe that, you can only guess it, right? What is there in the south part of the North America? What I told? Yeah, this is South America. What is? See here, very simple. Sometimes it happens. Which is the what is there in the south part of the North America? It is South America. See, North America, South America. Don't confuse. What is it? North America. This is. So south part of the North America is covered by South America. So your east side Atlantic Ocean, and the west side it is again Pacific Ocean, and in the north side you can see the Antarctic Ocean, the Arctic Ocean. You can see what is the Arctic Ocean. Here is Atlantic Ocean, here is Pacific Ocean, and in the south part it is South America. There, say you can. Inside there are lakes. See, these are lakes. So here we have in India we have lakes. Sorry, in India we have dams. Is it right? So like that there are natural large lakes are available in the North America. So that country is famous for that large lake, that has freshwater lake. So if you have seen Goruru Dam, or if you have seen that Bhadra Dam in Lakkodi, so there are KRS Dam in Mysore, Mandya. So there you can see that are a dam. So like as much as such large size, lakes can be found, or lakes can be seen in the North America. There are 5 lakes, so that 5 lakes are also famous. And also that continent is famous for another thing. So we call one country of this world as a big brother, our world leader. So in Kannada, Vishwada Doddanna, like that we will call a country. So the country is located in North America. So yes, you have guessed what is that? America. America means USA, United States of America. That is the country name. That is the leading developed country in the world. So India has a relationship with that country, and also you can see other developed countries such as Canada. What is that another country? Canada. And the fourth one is South America. Asia, Africa, North America, and South America. See there, it is easy for you to find out, because already when we are seeing about North America, we have seen about South America. This is South America. What is there in the north part? So Atlantic Ocean and also North America. In the east side, South Atlantic Ocean, same Atlantic Ocean only this is. It is in north part, that's why it is called North Atlantic Ocean. It is in south part, that's why it is South Atlantic Ocean. See, in the north as well as in the east, Atlantic Ocean. In the west it is Pacific Ocean. In the south it is Southern Ocean. What is that? Southern Ocean. So this is all about 4 continents of the world. So in the South America continent, you have 2 famous things. So one is Amazon. You would have heard that. Is it right? What is that? Wait one. Yeah, South America, there I told that Amazon. So Amazon means, don't think that whatever you can order in online. I am not talking about that Amazon, but Amazon rainforest. So that is located in the South America. That is a very famous and also very large forest. I say one fact about the Amazon forest. So there daily 100 or 200 more than 1000 trees, or more than 1000 saplings. Saplings means small plants are dying. The reason is one thing, that is, so they are not getting the sunlight. What? They are not getting the sunlight. That means, so that kind of a thick forest. If you go inside of the forest, that you feel that whether this is a day or night. So whenever you are going, so at the edge of the forest, you feel, yeah, this is morning 12 o'clock, like that, or afternoon 12 o'clock, like that you will think. And when you enter into the forest, when you go deeper, little deeper inside of the forest, there suddenly you will feel that, hey, whether it is night or day, like that. Because that thick forest that is. So that is what I am trying to say. And also one more special thing I forgot. So Amazon river, so largest river. See, if you can know, there is just a connection. So if you have Atlas book, you just check in home itself. What is that? Here it is connected. See, this is connected. Very small land here. So this land is called as isthmus. So what is that? So that kind of a small land is called as isthmus. So particularly that land name is Panama Isthmus. Isthmus. So Panama Isthmus is a connection between North America to South America. So to there they can easily go by the road travel itself. So Panama Isthmus. So we will study or we will start here the study of the continents. So in the next class we can continue the rest 3 continents and next 5 oceans. You don't do anything, okay? Just open the world map if you have. So in your mobile or in the map or in the Atlas book, just you observe it. So there everything will be written. You just find out. Find out means what? Asia. What is there in the south side of the Asia? What is there in the north side of the Asia? And which two continents are very near or which two continents are very far. So which are the ocean that comes between the two continents, like that you just say. Okay, now after that you will understand everything. So what you have to do is, I told, so at least 5 minutes you just spent by looking at the world map or any maps. So tomorrow again we will meet, and today we will meet in online class if it is possible.